In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square payments with Shopify. This guide is designed to help you smoothly connect Square to your Shopify store, ensuring your payment processing is seamless and efficient. Let's dive in and get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Apps section. This is where you'll manage all the applications that can enhance and expand the functionality of your Shopify store. Click on Apps, and we'll proceed to find the right integration for Square. In the Apps section, you'll find a search bar. Type Square Integration into the search bar and hit Enter. As you do this, Shopify will present a list of relevant applications that can help you link Square with your online store. Look for a reliable and highly rated option that suits your needs, and once you've identified the best one, click on the result to learn more about what it offers. Now that you've clicked on the result, you'll find yourself on the app's details page. Here you can review its features, pricing, and user reviews to ensure it's the right choice. Once you're satisfied with the app, go ahead and click the Install button. Shopify will then prompt you to confirm the installation, so don't be surprised when it asks you to install the app again. This step is essential to ensure that you're aware of the permissions required and the changes it will make to your store. With the app installed, it's time to set up your payment processing. The app will ask you to select a plan that aligns with your business needs. Plan options might vary based on features or processing fees, so carefully consider what fits best for your current and future requirements. Choose your preferred plan to ensure you're getting the most suitable option for your business. After selecting the plan, you'll need to add your payment method to facilitate any charges that might be incurred for using the app's services. This could range from monthly fees to transaction costs, so it's crucial to have a valid payment method on file. Enter your payment information and double-check that everything is correct to avoid any billing issues later on. Finally, hit the Approve button to complete the setup process. By doing this, you've officially integrated Square payments with your Shopify store, and you're now ready to start accepting payments through Square. Remember, always test the integration by making a small transaction to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully connected Square to Shopify. Integrating Square payments into your e-commerce platform can streamline your payment processing, making it easier for you to manage transactions and improve the overall checkout experience for your customers. Thank you for watching and happy selling.